We're at the beach. I'm gonna grab some shots. Come down to the end over here, take a little look around. You can hear some of the calm water waves breaking. All shot with the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro and the DJI Mic 2, noise canceling off, with the pro settings of the camera, shutter speed 1/100, and the camera set up with the EV value of 0.7 on the negative side, 4K 30 frames per second. A wonderful, comfortable morning with a little subtle breeze. As you see, the old-fashioned style houses to modern style. Some modern, redone. Low light does a mighty fine job on the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. As the sun rises, that completes a wonderful day in the morning.